Hello, Chef here once again, getting ready to use this awesome titanium knife. This knife's been used already for like 10 years. It's been a pretty good little knife. I do notice it's getting a little bit of scratches, a couple abrasions, and the edge is starting to lose its sharpness. So I've got the clip. The clip is all you need. The clip goes right over the knife like this, doesn't scratch it. The clip gives you the perfect angle. Gives you the perfect angle for sharpening. So here we go, just like this. And you repeat. Makes sense, right? The clip provides a perfect V for the bottom of the knife. Works on virtually any knife. That's what you need right there besides a good quality honing stone. This is made in Japan 3000, and I'm going to be switching after that to an 8000. You can see that these babies are kind of dirty, so we're going to be using the little cleaning stone to give them a quick cleaning. And well, it's pretty easy. Just follow along and I'll show you what I'm up to here. We'll get it done. Okay, so the stone gets put in the base. I made the base to fit my sink. You can make one too, not that hard to make. Make it so that your stone sits right in there, okay? Little splash of water, get the water going on here, and this is the cleaning stone. This little baby here's got all the good stuff on it. So you just rub your stone back and forth like this and flatten it out, clean it off, okay, until it looks new again. Okay, there we go. That baby's clean and it's ready to go. A little more water, that's all I need, I'm ready to go. No messing around, no soaking it, no massaging it, no playing with it, no magic rubbing, hocus pocus. A little water, it's clean, I'm ready to go. Guide clip on the knife, and we use the guide clip mainly for the angle, and we're going from the heel to the tip. And repeat the opposite side. Okay, I'm all done. Done with this stone. I'm going to keep the clip on there. I'm going to switch stones. Leave them. This stone doesn't quite fit in the jig. So what do? You cut a piece of scrap wood and you add the wood. Now it fits really, really nice. Once again, the cleaning stone. Just like that. Not much to it, right? It's clean. It's flat. It's looking good. Yeah, I'm all done. I give a little rinse. Once again, no hocus pocus, no massaging, no soaking, no manipulating, no magic to the stone. It's just wet. The knife goes back on, clip is in place, from the heel to the tip. And repeat, other side. It's that easy. Now you're wondering if this is sharp, aren't you? Well, so am I. Let me grab a piece of paper. Be right back. I'm going to show you just how sharp that knife is. Okay, what do we got here? Some newspaper, the soft stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. 10 and a half. There's approximately 20 layers of paper here, okay? Let's see if this knife is sharp. The camera's still running. No hocus pocus over here. Oh, yeah. It's pretty good. So you can see that knife's pretty sharp. One more little test I like to do is kind of a S. Yep. You can do a S on paper with your knife. It's sharp. I could probably shave my legs or my back or one of the ladies. Yeah. Or at least cut an apple really thin. Smash some garlic, julienne onion. Maybe work on some salad and some steaks. This knife's good to go. One of the things I like about this knife, by the way, is the fact it's titanium. It's non-reactive. It doesn't stick to anything. It glides through food, and I like that. So check it out. Score it at your sponsor right there, as well as the clips. The guide clips, they're only like 10 bucks. You get a set of them. Sharpening stones, titanium knives, cutting boards, butcher blocks, you name it. They got it all in stock at your sponsor. And make sure to click that little like button. Helps people find the videos, shows us that you like the videos, and we can keep them going. All right, with that, I'm going to leave you. Get cooking. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Reserve that off to the side. Now, you can get into all different things with this. Some people peel them. I don't. I think the skin tastes fine. I'm just going to give this a few slices here. And the first slice is going to be just like this. Okay. Check out some new flavors, some new ideas. So this is it. This is one way to serve a persimmons, and your guests are going to go, wow, I've never had that. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Ah, by the best quality the first time.